Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, black color, light green color, violet color, pink color, dark green color, red color, yellow color, dark blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. Red color. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for banana. C. C for cow. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for flowers. G. G for goat. H. H for hen. I for iron. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lollipop. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for ox. P. P for pen. Q. Q for quilt. R. R for rose. S. S for sky. T. T for toy. U. U for universe. V. V for violin. W. W for water. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye-bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, brown color, violet color, yellow color, light green color, black color, red color, purple color, dark blue color, dark green color. Let's try to learn some 2D shapes. Triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Triangle. Square. Circle. hexagon, star, pentagon, triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Red color, triangle, light green color, square, yellow color, circle, violet color, hexagon, purple color, star, sky blue color, pentagon, triangle, square, circle, hexagon, star, pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.